Okay, now add a new controller, add controller, and type home controller as controller name and click on add. Also add a model by right clicking on it, add class, and type a student as model name. Click on add button. Create a property in a student class, type prop tab string tab name, and create another action result. Public action result details int id where student equals new student name equals Nukma Vatsa ID. Okay, there is a mistake. Click control dot, oh, we are missing namespace. Click on enter, it will automatically add namespace for us. Return view and student. Now add another method, action method, public action result browse string subject student name equals subject view student. Now we have three action results: index, details, and browse. Index has no any parameter, but details has our default parameter, that is id, and browse has subject as a parameter, that is not default. Now we need to add view for each action results. For this let's add view for index. Right click inside index, click on add view, check to create a strongly typed view. Oops, there is no class. Okay, we need to build our project before adding the view. Click on build MVC application. Okay, success to add. Now right click and click on add view, click to create a strongly typed view. Okay, there is now our model class. Click on add. Okay, there is a home directory because we have a controller with the home name, so there is a home directory inside view. Let's create a view for details. Right click inside, click on view, add view details, click on add, and then again for the browse add view add. Okay, now we have three different views: browse, details, index. Okay, let's display the result on views. For this, switch to details and type bold at model dot name and copy it, and the same inside browse, paste there. Now run the application and check it by browse. I'll click on start debugging, and here it is. So now our index page is up to us. Now to navigate in details, we need to navigate details slash home slash details slash id as a value 1. Press enter. Okay, I'm Manu Kumar Vatsa, and here 1 comes up. We have another option. We can also navigate by using details question id equals 1. Because id is default parameter, so we have two options, either by details slash 1 or details question id equals 1. And to navigate in browse, home slash browse question subject equals computer, press on enter. Here it is. So that's all about the normal URL routing. Now let's move to learn custom URL routing. For this, open the global.asx file. Before it, close all the opened files and make some changes here. Copy this and paste it. Let's make some changes here. Root name maybe anything like blogs hosting. Controller name might be okay. Before it, let's move on the presentation. In this presentation, there is 3 different URLs. In each case, every request is similar till here article, but the date is different. So controller name will be equal, but the action method will be different. Let's switch back to Visual Studio. So I'll delete controller and type here article slash action as a date dt, and we don't want id, and set up the defaults article as controller and post as action name, and leave the id as it is. Now save the changes and add a new controller, article controller. Click on add. In this, add a new method, public string post date time dt equals new date time return you are here. dt.to no to string. Okay, now run the application and request a special URL. Okay, slash I'll place article article slash now date 12/6/2011. Press on enter. Okay, here we go. If we change the date as 17, press enter. Oh, something mistake happens. Oops, 17 may not be month, it always be 12. Change it 7. Okay, good. Again change it 12. Good. But if you create it 32, that will be again invalid because 32 is not a valid date. 30 will be perfect. So that's all about the URL routing. Switch back to our PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed the learning with me. If you want to post some feedback on this video, you can navigate to the given URL and post your feedback. Thank you.